Hello creators, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create HDR video effect in CAPCUT. And you can also simply copy these steps into Premiere Pro and get exact same HDR effect for your video. It is very trending right now on social media and I thought I must teach you how to do this HDR effect. To get started, let's open CAPCUT. First, select the video you would like to edit. Create an adjustment layer. Select the adjustment layer and now go to color adjustment. Select curves and here you have to make very easy changes. Flip all these 4 curve sliders like this. Once you flip the curves, second go to effects and look for blur. Increase the blur slider to all the way from 0 to 100. Now export this as a video. I'm gonna save it to download, but you can decide wherever you like. Now delete the adjustment layer and blur effect. Bring the exported video on top of the actual video. Adjust the size if required. If you're using phone, you can do it by clicking on the overlay options and bring the video onto your timeline. Now select the imported video, go to the blending option and change the blend mode to color burn. Now decrease the opacity of the top layer to between 35 and 60. Based on your video, you will adjust this. And of course, you can always fix this later. Now you're almost there. You need one last thing, a white overlay. Just take a picture of any pure white thing or go to Photoshop and create a layer and come back here. I'll put the link to this white overlay I'm using. You can just download it. Bring this white overlay to your timeline and place it on top of all the clip. Make sure you are covering the entire clip and not leaving anything peeking from anywhere. Now go to the blend mode again and this time change it to overlay. Voila! Now you have it. See, it's already looking so great. But if you like me, would like to go one step further, you can make some adjustment to your video. Go to adjustment, color adjustment, and here you can make some changes and don't forget to increase the saturation to create some vibrant look. Now you have it. Here is the before and here is the after. If you like this video and learned something, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Click on that bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of all of my upcoming new videos about video editing tips, tricks, and any update. I will see you again with another exciting video. Until then, my lovely people, take care and keep creating.